So let me show you how to create keyboard shortcuts on your iPhone's keyboard. Now, if you find yourself typing a certain phrase a lot, you can actually create a shortcut for it so that you don't have to keep typing the entire phrase every time you need to type it. And so you want to go into settings. Under settings, go to general, tap on that. And then under general, go to keyboard. So from here, you should see the option text replacement. And you can see I've already set a couple. So for instance, when I type OMW, it suggests for me or it types for me on my way. And when I type WPE, it sets for me web pro education, or it types for me web pro education. Let's add another one. I can say that is actually crazy. So let's say I like to type this phrase a lot and I don't want to type it all the time. So I can just create a shortcut for it and say CC for cray cray or crazy crazy. So when I save that, now the next time I'm typing on my keyboard, instead of writing that is actually crazy, I can just type CC and you can see it suggests for me that phrase and I can just tap on it and it's gonna type for me like that. Now, if I want to type the other ones, maybe Web Pro Education, the name of this channel, I can just type WPE and then it's gonna give me Web Pro Education and I can type it like that. So that's how to create keyboard shortcuts on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and good luck.